Platform 1 for the 2202 Waterline, service to Esterfield. Calling at Farley, Rosedale Village and Esterfield. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Three coaches. Platform 2 for the 2215 Waterline, service to Benton. Calling at Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 1 for the 2217 Waterline, service to Farley. Calling at Farley only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 2 for the 2219 Waterline, service to Benton. Calling at Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Your attention, please. The 2222 Waterline, service to Benton, has been cancelled. Platform 2 for the 2221 Waterline, service to Newry Harbour. Calling at Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway, Benton, West Benton, Faraday Road, Eden Quay, Newry, and Newry Harbour. This train is formed of 4 coaches.